Just last week, Coinbase suffered a huge loss in its ongoing lawsuit against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. A judge ruled that the SEC's claim that Coinbase is engaging in sales of unregistered securities could be heard by a jury. This lawsuit has been ongoing since June of last year and is mostly centered around whether or not the cryptocurrencies listed on Coinbase are securities. A security is defined as a fungible, negotiable financial instrument that holds some type of monetary value. The SEC currently lists 66 cryptocurrencies, including Solana, Cardano, and Ripple, which are all listed on Coinbase's exchange as securities. The SEC's claim states that Coinbase is not only an illegal securities exchange, but also an illegal broker and clearinghouse. They took issue with the company's staking program, which people can earn interest by holding cryptocurrencies on Coinbase's platform. Today, Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. It is also listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker COIN and is likely the largest regulated and public crypto platform in the US. It IPO'd in April of 2021 at a price of $381 per share and has yet to return to those highs. Since its founding in 2012, Coinbase has grown steadily and led the way in regulated crypto trading in the United States. They've always treaded lightly and have been known as one of the safest crypto exchanges. So why has the SEC come after them now? And does this lawsuit state a legitimate claim? On this episode of What's Going On Here, we're going to look into the history of Coinbase, the steps they've taken to stay on the right side of the law, and why, after more than a decade, regulators are now coming after them. Coinbase was founded at a pivotal moment in cryptocurrency history. Bitcoin, the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, had finally begun gaining traction, but the infrastructure for exchanging and storing digital currencies was still very questionable. Recognizing this gap, Brian Armstrong and Fred Erzum set out to build a platform that would simplify the process of engaging with cryptocurrencies. Incorporated in 2012, Coinbase launched with a straightforward mission: to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. The platform offered an intuitive interface for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin, with a vision to expand to other digital assets in the future. This commitment to accessibility and user-friendliness would become the cornerstone of Coinbase's success. While the concept of Coinbase was compelling, its journey was not without hurdles. Regulatory uncertainty loomed large over the cryptocurrency industry, with governments grappling to understand and regulate this new form of money. Coinbase navigated these challenges cautiously, working closely with regulators to ensure compliance while advocating for the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies. Security was another top concern. With the rising prevalence of hacks and scams in the crypto industry, building trust amongst users was essential. Coinbase invested heavily in security measures, implementing robust protocols to safeguard users' funds and personal information. This commitment to security would prove essential in earning the trust of both retail investors and institutional players. As cryptocurrencies gained mainstream attention, Coinbase seized the opportunity to expand its offerings. In 2015, the platform added support for Ethereum, which was its first coin other than Bitcoin. This strategic move positioned Coinbase as more than just a Bitcoin exchange, but rather a gateway to the broader world of digital assets. The following years saw Coinbase continue to broaden its horizons. The platform introduced a suite of services catering to different segments of the market, including Coinbase Pro for advanced traders and Coinbase Custody for institutional investors. The acquisition of startups like Earn.com and Neutrino further increased Coinbase's capabilities, enhancing its product offerings and technological prowess. One of Coinbase's most significant contributions to the cryptocurrency world has been its role as a catalyst for adoption. By providing a user-friendly first experience to cryptocurrencies, Coinbase played a huge role in introducing millions of people to digital currencies. The platform's intuitive interface, coupled with robust security measures, made it easy for newcomers to dip their toes into the world of digital assets. Moreover, Coinbase's efforts to educate users about cryptocurrencies help normalize this complex technology. Through blog posts, tutorials, and educational resources, Coinbase empowered users to make informed decisions about buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. This commitment to education contributed to the broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies and created a more knowledgeable user base. Beyond its role as a gateway to cryptocurrencies, Coinbase has been a beacon of innovation in the industry. The platform has introduced several groundbreaking products and services aimed at pushing the boundaries of what is possible with digital assets. One of these innovations is Coinbase Commerce, a platform that enables merchants to accept cryptocurrencies as payment for goods and services. By bridging the gap between cryptocurrency holders and merchants, Coinbase Commerce has helped drive adoption by providing real-world use cases for digital assets. Another notable innovation is Coinbase's involvement in the growing decentralized finance space. Through initiatives like Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Ventures, the platform has supported the development of decentralized applications and protocols, paving the way for a more open and inclusive financial system. Coinbase's ambitions extend far beyond its origins in the United States. Recognizing the global nature of cryptocurrencies, the platform has embarked on a journey of international expansion, seeking to bring its services to users around the world. In recent years, Coinbase has established a presence in various countries, offering its platform in multiple languages and currencies. This global expansion has not only broadened Coinbase's user base, but also contributed to the global adoption of cryptocurrencies. While Coinbase has achieved remarkable success, it faces no shortage of challenges as it looks to the future. Competition is intensifying in the cryptocurrency space, with a growing number of platforms vying for market share. Coinbase must stay ahead of the curve by continuously innovating and differentiating itself from its competitors. Moreover, as the cryptocurrency market matures, Coinbase must adapt to evolving user preferences and market dynamics. This may entail expanding its product offerings, exploring new revenue streams, and staying attuned to emerging trends in the industry. On June 6, 2023, the SEC charged Coinbase with operating its crypto asset trading platform as an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. The company is also being charged for failing to register its crypto staking program as an investment. The SEC claims that Coinbase has at least 13 cryptocurrencies listed on its platform that classify as securities. One of the main examples in the claim is the coin Solana. To determine whether a particular asset qualifies as a security, regulators often apply the Howey test, which consists of 4 criteria. Investment of money. The investor contributes money or assets to a common enterprise. Expectation of profits. The investor expects to profit from the efforts of others. Common enterprise. Profits are generated from the efforts of a third party or a central enterprise. Lack of control. The investor lacks significant control over the investment's success or failure. If an asset meets these criteria, it may be considered a security and subject to securities regulations. The SEC has raised concerns that SOL, the native token of the Solana blockchain, meets the criteria of the Howey test and therefore should be classified as a security. The argument stems from SOL's utility within the Solana ecosystem, where it's used for staking, governance, and transaction fees. Critics contend that SOL's value is derived largely from the efforts of the Solana team and other stakeholders, which satisfies the expectation of profits criteria of the Howey test. Coinbase is in a bit of a tough spot since the SEC only needs to prove that one of its listed coins is a security to win the case. Even if the company can prove that Solana is not a security, it would have to do the same for Ripple, Chiliz, and more. Coinbase's lawyers have tried to compare selling cryptocurrencies to selling Beanie Babies, American Girl dolls, or even baseball cards. They say that even though a rare baseball card can be held and gain value, no one thinks of it as a security. The seller of that card doesn't need to register as a broker because the cards are basically just tokens. An argument can be made that a new rookie baseball card can pass the Howey test. The investor buys the card, or contributes money, and expects to profit when the card raises in value. The raise in value of the card is generated by the player having an outstanding career, a third party, and the owner lacks significant control of that player's career. Although this argument has merit, it might not do a good job at convincing people that cryptocurrencies are not securities, but rather convince them that baseball cards could be. The SEC also claims that Coinbase's staking program constitutes a security itself. They argue that by pooling and staking customer assets, earning rewards on those assets, and then distributing them back to customers, Coinbase's staking program is offering and selling investment contracts. Some might say that this program is exactly like a mutual fund or selling a bond. The outcome of the SEC's lawsuit against Coinbase could have far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. If the SEC prevails in its case against Coinbase, it could set a precedent for how other cryptocurrency companies are regulated, potentially stifling innovation and growth in the industry. Since the case has just begun, it could take years to reach any kind of meaningful conclusion. The rise of Coinbase is a testament to the transformative power of cryptocurrencies. What began as a bold vision to make digital assets accessible to everyone has blossomed into a global phenomenon, reshaping the way we think about money and finance. Will Coinbase be able to beat the SEC charges? And if so, will it be able to continue growing and paving the way for other crypto exchange platforms? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. If you're interested in learning about the triumphs and struggles of another front-running, innovative company, check out our recent video on the rise and fall of Tesla. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.